Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to install Google Notebook ML in your phone, whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Chrome browser. Having opened up your Chrome browser, go ahead and click on search and type in notes. Notes, hit on search. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Google right here. Then go ahead and click on here. Now you are here. Scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down until you get to Notebook right here. Go ahead and click on that. Now you are here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this three dots from the top corner. Scroll down right here. Go ahead and click on Add to Home Screen. Go ahead and hit on Install. So I'm going to go ahead now and click on Install. So you can see the installation is being prepared. App install. Go ahead and click open. Now you have the app successfully installed on your phone right here. It's that simple. Then from your home screen on your phone, you definitely have the app icon right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Notebook ML by Google, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.